works best to put the bail up on something a bit, but if you don't have anything to put the bail up on, undo, pull your strap tight. Take your excess strap, make a knot back around the D-ring if you'd like. Tuck your strap up underneath so the horses can't get at it.